Bakes out.
Bakes out. Outbakes.
You catch us on the Outbakes takes.
Oh, I still gotta make that video too.
The Outbakes video?
Yeah, Outbakes.
Outbakes. That would actually be a good title for it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Baked Foods.
Just give a round of applause for Pat.
What am I doing with this spatula?
This is poor man's We don't like to waste food around here, so what we're gonna do, Ben is gonna go ahead and take one for the team and eat this. Go, buddy. Ben.
Oh.
That's bomb.
We got special guest Pat Calendar here.
What's up, guys?
Pat
What's up,
again.
people?
We're in the same sweater.
So, you know, when I'm cooking, I like to drink a very refreshing, insert sponsor here, refreshment. Yeah, kind of like that. That's good. Something like that, man.
Some mushrooms, some onions, and something with lettuce. We'll figure that out later.
Sanjay Thai peanut. Like I said earlier, it was gluten-free, so we put it doesn't matter if you use too much, because you can never use too much. You don't know what the good life is. This is the good life.
Right now we're just kind of having fun, grilling. You can maybe learn something, probably not.
What you call it? What is it? What cut?
Called a beef round, boneless, bottom round steak. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Doesn't matter what it is, just do it. You know, sprinkle a bunch. Lots of stuff.
Yeah, do it.
The more the merrier.
Probably about 40 minutes total on that.
Give that shake and bakes.
Shake and bakes.
Grilling and chilling.
Chilling and grilling.
Rillin', krillin'.
Beer.
Two things you gotta know in life. One, aw shoot, messes up a million attaboys. And I forgot the other.
Work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder, damn it. I mean, you can see everything.
Ugh.
Like, they're on this side, and then this is on this side. You can, yeah, it's. You want me to post it for you?
And this is how you make coleslaw. No. Take me to your list. So we don't care about Pat's cheap steak because that's garbage. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw that over there.
No. Darn. Sorry.
What do you think, Winston?
These things, they're not smartphones. They're dumb phones. Because they make everybody dumber.
Well, 10% rule.
10%.
Gotta be 10% smarter than the object you're working with, right?
Just saying.
What?
Everything's at the tip of your fingers. You don't have to go to a library no more. You don't have
Oh,
It's just grass cheese.
grass cheese. Just a little bit of natural flavor.
Grease.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna add that.
You know, Drew Grease. You might say it's kind of impressive. Alright. It's like they say, beep, tomato. Alright.
And you have your Juicy Lucy.
From this angle, it looks like the Cookie Monster. For real, check it out.
Ben, have you been eating the sides before they were done?
They shrank down, man.
They don't shrink that much. Be honest, Ben.
They were thinly sliced cut potatoes. They shrank a lot.
Alright. You wanna go ahead and just give it a taste?
That seems really hot.
It seems very hot. Oh. Oh.
Whoa.
If I could taste right now.
Wow. Now that's what you expect from A thinly sliced potato. Not at all. Not at all. I don't.
And that is how you absolutely mutilate a beautiful burger. See the challenge of you trying to eat that thing.
I'm putting it in my mouth.
Thanks for watching another episode of Bakes Food. If you liked it, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Until the next one, peace. Grilling and chilling. I'm gonna give you all the time you need.
I can't. Shout out to Jip. Where you jip that at? Straight jipping on.
And like,
This is the bomb.
Did I really just say the ball? Go ball.
Oh. That, yeah, right there.
That's good enough. Bendy spoon, you know.
Alright.